In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check exchange rate on Remitly. If you're planning to send money abroad, knowing the current exchange rate helps you understand exactly how much your recipient will get. I'll walk you through the quickest way to see that rate on Remitly and how to preview amounts before you send. First, open your web browser and go to the Remitly homepage. Right on the main page, Remitly highlights the exchange rate for a selected route. Think of this as the live 1 unit of your currency equals X units of the recipient's currency. This gives you a snapshot without needing to sign in. Rates move throughout the day, so consider this a real-time estimate that may update as you browse. To tailor the rate to the country you care about, look for the destination drop-down near the top of the page. Click it to open the selector. Here you can search for a country directly. Just start typing the name and you'll see matching results appear. This is the fastest way if you already know exactly where you're sending. Double check you've picked the correct country and currency since some regions may use similar names or multiple currencies. If you're not sure or you just want to explore, you can browse all countries from that same menu. Scroll through the full list until you find the destination you need, then select it. As soon as you choose a country, the homepage updates to show the corresponding exchange rate for that route. When you're ready to see a more detailed breakdown, click on Send Money. This brings you to a page where you can enter amounts and preview the conversion in real time. In the Use Send field, type the amount in your currency. As you type, Remitly automatically applies the current rate for the selected route. Right below or beside it, you'll see They Receive, which shows how much your recipient would get in their local currency at that moment. Use this preview to fine-tune the amount until it matches your needs. If the number looks slightly different from the home page, that's normal. Rates can refresh or reflect additional details. Keep in mind that exchange rates can vary by factors like timing and any promotional offers, and they may change until you finalize a transfer. If you're only checking, there's no need to proceed. This page is perfect for quick, accurate estimates. And that's it. Go to Remitly, check the homepage rate, pick your destination from the drop-down, and use the Send Money page to preview You Send and They Receive. This simple flow gives you a clear picture of the exchange rate before you make any decisions.